Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 for free. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. First, if there is another version of Office installed on Windows, you must uninstall it before starting. To do that, we'll go to the Control Panel. Then we click on Uninstall Programs. As you can see, I have another version of Office installed on Windows. I will uninstall it first before installing another version of Office by right-clicking on it and selecting Uninstall. After that, we will go to Partition C and create a new folder and name it Office 2024. I will delete this folder belonging to the previous version of Office. Next, we will go to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. We will go to the first link. Now we scroll down. Then we click on Download. Then we go to the tool's download location. Right-click on the tool and select Run as Administrator. If a window appears, click Yes. This window will appear. We check the box and click Continue. Here I will select the Office folder that I created to extract the tool files into. The tool files were successfully extracted. I will now go to the Office folder that I created on Partition C. I will find these two files. I will delete the configuration file. Now we'll go to Google again and search for Office Customization Tool. We will go to the first link. Through this website, we will select the Office version we want to download, the language, and the specific Office programs we wish to download. Here I will specify whether to download Office programs using a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To confirm this, we will right-click on this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. We will click here to select the version of Office we will download. Here, you will find all Office versions, starting with the 2019, 2021, and 2024 releases. Here we will choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024, Volume License. Now we scroll down. Here we will select the Office programs we want to download. As for me, I will download Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. Then I will click on Next. Next, we will select the language of the Office programs. Here I will choose the United States English language. If you want to add another language to Office, click here. I will add French alongside English. Then, I click on Add. Then I will click on Next. I will disable this option because I don't have any other versions of Office installed on Windows. Here I will press Finish. Next, I will click on Export. Here I will choose Office Open XML formats. Here I will check this box. Do not change this name. Now click on Export. We will now go to the file download location. We will move this file to the Office folder that we created on Partition C. We will now click here to get the file path. Now we copy the file path. Next, we will go to Windows Search and type CMD. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here we will type CD followed by a space, then press Ctrl+V to paste the file path. Then we press Enter. There is a command that we will copy and paste here to begin the process of downloading and installing Office programs. You will find all the commands used in this video in the first pinned comment. Then we press Enter. The process of downloading and installing Office programs will now begin, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. The process of downloading and installing Office programs has been completed. Now I will click on the Windows logo to preview the downloaded Office programs. Here is the Access program. Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.